So more than 32 million people suffer from osteoarthritis, and while those creaky, painful joints are a problem, treatment options in most cases have remained limited as well. But now, though, the hope is that the University of Colorado could be at the forefront of a breakthrough, and that's why we've asked Dr. Karin Payne, Associate Professor of Orthopedics at the CU School of Medicine, to join us today, bringing us up to date on promising steps forward. I first have to ask you, you work in osteo, bones, arthritis, and all that, and you're named Dr. Payne.
I know.
That's got to be tough.
Luckily, I'm not a medical doctor, so I don't have to see patients.
No pain management. So talk about what we're looking at here at CU, what you're developing as far as, it sounds like, from what I've read, a non-invasive treatment. How does this work?
Right. So currently for osteoarthritis, there's no cure, right? There's no way to reverse the disease. So we're working on different technologies to try and regenerate that cartilage that gets lost during osteoarthritis.
And that's what's between the bones, that when that goes away, it hurts.
Correct. So cartilage covers your bones and provides this lubricated tissue that allows the joints to move without any friction. So in osteoarthritis, you start losing that cartilage, starts getting more painful, difficult to walk. But once that cartilage is lost, there's no way to get it back right now, or once it gets injured, it just doesn't heal. So we're working on different technologies to try and regrow that cartilage that gets lost.
And you're having some success?
So we're in preclinical studies right now, so in the lab, in vitro, some small animal models. But we have this multi-campus institution here in Colorado.
That's what I was going to ask you about. It sounds like there are several aspects to trying to construct this process.
Right. So we're quite a large team now. So CU Anschutz, we work on more the biology, the cells. We have amazing biological engineers in Boulder that are developing different biomaterials that we can use. And then we also work with Colorado State. So all three of us, we've all worked in this cartilage osteoarthritis field, and we have an opportunity now to really get together and start creating therapies.
Yeah. I know a lot of people who suffer from this, and they love this idea of the daylight coming, where it's starting to become something they can really see happen. But sometimes when we talk about medicine and treatments in particular, someone says, we've invented this. It costs $1 million, and it's $10,000 a pill or something like that. But it sounds like that's one of the aspects of what you're trying to develop. Right.
I think at the core of this new project we're starting is that it has to be affordable to all Americans. So how to get to that? I mean, research is expensive. Obviously, these medications are expensive. But how can we get to exactly what we need to regenerate this cartilage and try to make it as affordable as possible in the end.
You sound cautiously optimistic, like you think you're headed in the right direction, but you know there's so much work still to be done.
Right. I think, like anything, right, we've been trying to solve this for a long time, but I think there's a lot of momentum right now, a lot of people, and it's really great that we've assembled this Colorado team to work on it. So.
Well, we're excited to hear the update. We look forward to the next update, and certainly are hoping that things continue to progress. It's great to see you. Thanks.
Thanks for having me.